What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another summer themed cocktail. And today's summer themed cocktail, guys, is a recreation of the Alien beer. So I will show you how to make this quick but effective beer. So to make an Alien beer, of course, it's got to have the green colour. So get your bottle of Corona and crack it open. Right, so to make an Alien beer now, we're going to put in the ingredients. So put your funnel on top. What we're going to do now is add the tequila and the shimmer powder. This is what will turn it green, because I've got green shimmer powder. So put it in together. Up to that, yeah. Last bit, add blue curacao. Right, now turn it upside down. And there we go, one Alien beer. That's the perfect effect on it. It's as simple as that. That's how you make an Alien beer. Because it's a nice effect. Just turn it upside down, turn it back, and you get this. Because look how nice and green it is. And it's as simple as that. Have you ever tried the Alien beer? Do let me know in the comments below, as I'll give my MixedSid rating on this. Do I recommend it? There we go, guys. One Alien beer. How does it taste? I don't recommend it, because something should be illegal about tequila and beer going together. Because especially with lager. Don't get me wrong, it's a very nice effect. It looks nice. Because a nice effect of it. Because it's nice and green like an Alien beer, but to actually try it, I'd probably give it a 3 out of 10. It's not something I'd drink. Because it's not something I'd make again. Because it'd be one of these I'd try once and that'd be it. Because if you're just juicy, this one's for you. I don't recommend it. You definitely won't like this drink at all. Because it's just missing something with it. Because it's just quite overpowering with tequila. If you love tequila, you'll love this. Because I don't mind tequila either. But yeah, it's not nice at all, because I don't recommend it, because it's one of those, because just nice to try. It looks nice, it's very much for the gram. It looks nice, it's green, it's very pretty to look at, like an Alien beer. But do I recommend it taste wise? No, it's shit. It's 3 out of 10 for me, and I wouldn't try this again. I wouldn't make it again. That's my opinion. That's my MixedSid rating, 3 out of 10. But I've been MixedSid. Do let me know in the comments below. Is there anything you wish me to try? Any ridiculous ideas or drinks or any summer themed? As I will be continuing with my summer themed cocktails throughout end of June, July and August. But last of all, don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid for more cocktails like this. And I will see you guys for my next cocktail video. Cheers. God, that's awful. I don't know who created, I don't know why I recreated this. Ugh.